Baba kuhle kuphinze ngihlangane nawe embukele etindzabeni tesiswati lesitethula bukhoma etindlini tekusakata te-SABC e-Auckland Park eJozi. Khumbula ke ukuthi letindzaba tiyatholakala nasenkundleni tekuchumana ngekuthi SABC tindzaba. Asesibukele tihambe embili.
A unit would be deliberately established as part of the organogram for a particular purpose.
Indvuna elitiko letemaphoyisa Senzo Mchunu ithi bese kude imali echubeka nekubhadala iPKTT leyahlakatwa nga-2024.
Cabinet calls on all foreign nationals to be well-mannered guests in South Africa.
Ikhabinethi yakuleli yendela ubito lwekuthi bantfu bangaphandle labakuleli abahlale ngentombi ngemva kwesigameko sakamuva sekutholakala kwemithi leyebiwe engotini yebhasi eLimpopo. Indvuna elitiko letemaphoyisa Senzo Mchunu ithi bese kude imali echubeka nekubhadala iPKTT leyahlakatwa nga-2024. Avele ngembi kwelikomiti lesikhashana ePhalamende, Mchunu uthi ngaphandle kwemali belingeke likhona ukuchubeka nekusebenta lelitsimba. Kanti uphindze wathi belendelwe kwesikhashane futhi beselicedzile kwenda umsebenzi walo.
Mchunu ugcizelele ukuthi isinqumo sekuhlakata lithimba leliphenya ngekubulawa kwabosopolitiki besihambisana nemithetho kanti besingakayamani netepolitiki noma kunjalo emalunga lelikomiti bekanganetiseki ngempendulo yaMchunu. Mchunu utiphikile netinsolo letithi wangenelele emsebentini walelithimba. Uthi akamangavikele basolwa kanzi nesinqumo sekuhlakata lelithimba seta ngemuva kwekulandzela teluleko talabasemagunyeni nekuswelakala kwemali.
The reason why there was an extended need for the existence of the task team beyond 2019. It was because the task teams, the specialized units that had been envisaged to replace the task team were still in formation.
Indvuna Mchunu igcizelele ukuthi lonke lithimba lemaphoyisa lesikhathi salo sekusebenta kanzi siyaye sifike emaphethelweni.
Yes, a unit would be deliberately established as part of the organogram for a particular purpose. But it would be, as I have observed up to now, it would be on a sustainable basis.
Mchunu utshele emalunga lelikomiti ukuthi emalunga lelithimba leliphenya ngekubulawa kwabosopolitiki bekade ukuthi lo msebenzi labawendako wesikhashana uthi kweswelakala kwemali kufaka isandla ukuthi lelithimba ligcine lingasebenzi ngalokuphelele. Mchunu uthi kwesekela ngetimali lithimba linye angeke kuside kulwisana nebugebengu bemagenge ikakhulukazi etindzaweni letifana neKapa.
So in practice, Senior Council, when they established with their right hand these specialized units, they defined the tasks because they are specialized units and infused that into the new structure. And then in their mind, it would gradually replace, because you can't have them, you can't have both of them and be accountable in terms of public funds.
Kuyaqhubeka kuhlala kwaleli komiti.
Mchunu uthi bekungaphasi kwemthetho okuhlakatwa kwe-PKTT kepha lokho kwendiwa nangabe selicedzile kwenda umsebenzi walo lelisungulele wona. Uphindze wathi lelithimba lasungulelwa tinyanga letisithupha nje kuphela futhi bese kude imali ekulibhadala. Njengoba lichubeka loludzabe ePhalamende kufanele ukuthi Mchunu acacise ukuthi kwaba khona inbambambamba kungenelela kwetepolitiki. Uqale kwethula ubufakazi bakhe ngekubuka umsebenzi lawendile njengendvuna yetemaphoyisa. Asesibuke lokuchubekako.
Intervention emanating from the president, and this is what I believe actually happened. Let me go on. And I believe that the decision to disband the PKTT, as I've said, was for lawful reasons. It was not for unlawful reasons. Not at all. Well, I know that when General Mkhonazi made a statement, among other things, the accusation was that I disbanded this because I wanted to protect criminal syndicates. I want criminal syndicates. I want them. But not that I wanted to protect them. And I will say, how I have demonstrated in the past that I want them. So it was for lawful reasons, not for unlawful reasons. And it didn't come from anyone else, it came from me as Minister of Police. And I have capacity to think to that level in my role. I may be wrong, I may be right, but the decision was not for unlawful reasons. As a matter of fact, I have nothing to do with criminal syndicates myself. I've never had anything to do with them in my life, not once, and not Amber. It has never happened, and it will never happen. It will never happen. Well, accusation is another when I'm accused, but I know I'm being investigated. But I know that at the same time, statements have been made in this committee.
Sikubutile ke ukuthi unemandla langakanani mengameli kuleli nakubonakala bamfu labangaphandle kwembuso bagcina bathatha inqumo letimayelana nekuphepha nekuvikeleka kwelive. Umbono wakho uyalandzela.
Umongameli unawo amandla kakhulu ukuthi athathe isinqumo ngento zokuphepha eSouth Africa. Manje ngokuthi anena usafuna ama-comrade adle abe right. And then khana uzothatha inqumo sokulead.
Kusho kona ukuthi mengameli wethu nasifike indzabeni tekuphepha lelive akalibeki phambili.
Unamandla amakhulu kakhulu nje ke umengameli. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi abantu bangaphandle mabethatha inqumo naye kumele izimbandakanye kube ukuthi mhlawumbe naye kuba khona ukuphawula abanako ikakhulukazi uye futhi okumele abe novo olunzulu.
Mangabe singabhekanga abaphezulu nabasemagonyeni bengabhekanga lizwe lahamba ngempela lezi zinto lezenzeka njengamanje zebhlungu kakhulu.
Nguye okhethe ukuthi angawaberegisa amandla lawo ngoba akanandaba nabantu unendaba naye namabhizinisi wakhe.
Umongameli wethu ubukeka engenawo amandla futhi engenandaba nezwe ingakho nje abantu bengena beziphumela umathanda wabo bakwamanye amazwe.
President phela uyi-first citizen uyonamandla usindlula sonke thina la eMzansi. Mama kuzothama abantu bangaphandle bathatha inqumo. Bese siyawudada uhulumende wethu. Hayi akaphakamisa uRamaphosa yikho phela lento. Sothathela umhlaba masingabhekanga manje.
Lona ngumbono wembukeli iSABC etethweswa kudiphendvulela ngawo. Ikhabinethi yakuleli icale ngekhalalisela ibafana ngekuphumelela kungenela indlebe yemhlaba yeFIFA eminyakeni lodako. Akhuluma nebetindzaba ePitoli indvune ofisini lamengameli Khumvutso Njabeni ivetela abakhulume ngako emhlanganweni wakamuva wekhabinethi.
Liveke liqhenya sibili ngekuhlungela kwabafana kuyongenela imidlalo endlebe yemhlaba kulomnyaka lodako.
Cabinet congratulated the senior soccer national team Bafana on qualifying for the FIFA World Cup 2026.
Njaveni ucela abantu bangaphandle labahlala kuleli ukuthi bayekele kudlaphathisa lusitolo empilo wagcizela ukuthi lolu hlelo kufanele lubekele embili abantu bakuleli futhi lube ngilolukhonsile.
Unfortunately, the proof that confirms brazen theft of medicines from the government clinics do not assist efforts to restore conditions for foreign nationals to access public health care in South Africa.
Ikhabinethi iphinze yagcekala udlame loluchubeka kweSudan yenda libitho lokuthi kubekwe phansi ikhali ngekusheshsha bese kubuyelwa etafuleni letinkhulumo tekuletha kuthula. Njaveni uphinze wagcizelela ukuthi bophela kwahulumende wakuleli kusekela imtamo ekuletha kuthula lelivekati lase-Afrika.
Cabinet has noted with concern that to date thousands of civilians remain trapped by the siege of El Fasher, which has become the epicenter of indiscriminate attacks by the RSF, which is worsening the already dire humanitarian crisis.
Etindzabeni temhlaba iningizimu Afrika ikulungele kuba ingxenye ngcuthela iG20 lapho khona mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa kulenzeleke ukuthi ahambele embili kuthuthukiswa kwamave emhlaba ngalokulinganako nekufaka imali etinhlelweni etibonele ukuguquka kwesimo selitolo.
The countdown to the G20 Leader Summit has begun in earnest, and we are left with a few days to host the nations of the world in November in South Africa at the Nasrec Expo Center in Johannesburg.
Indvuna iphinze iqinisekisa isinyathelo sohulumende kuqinisa kulawula kwakungena kuleli nekwenda ngcono kwethulwa kwetidzingo temphakatsi kumkhakha wetempilo nakutemfundo.
I-Democratic Alliance eGauteng ivulelelo bekasikhulu kutetimali etikweni letempilo eGauteng Lerato Majo licala lekunganaki nekungaphathi kahle timali estation semaphoyisa eJozi. Leli qembu lithi Majo wehluleka kuthathela tinyathelo umbiko lowakhokhwa nguBabita Deokaran lomayelana nebugebengu lobuchubekaka esibhedlela eThembisa. Deokaran wadutshulwa wabulawa ngemva kwemaviki lamabili ahlabe umkhosi ngalobugebengu kuMajo.
I-DA ithi lo bekasikhulu etimali ntelitiko letempilo Lerato Majo wamhambela embili kuBabita ngako ke kufude abukane nesandla semthetho.
We've laid a total of 7 charges under the Prevention Combating Corrupt Activities Act, Section 34, failure to report it, which is a criminal offence, and conspiracy to commit an offence.
Ngalesikhathi ibutwa ngesikhathi lebike ngaso lelicala i-DA ithe besolo ililandzela lelicala futhi nebudedengu balelitiko bude nemphumela lomubi.
We have been calling for this department to be put under administration because we have seen time and time again the failures to spend money adequately, the return of money or overspending, and yet money doesn't really translate to anything tangible. People are still sleeping on floors.
Msimanga uthi kungenteka ukuthi lelicala lindluliselwe emkhulukhaya wemaphoyisa.
We view this as a very serious matter that must receive the utmost of attention. I mean, we're not talking about a peanut amount of money here. We're talking serious amounts of money.
I-DA ithi angeke ukutfole kuthula kude kube ngulapho kuboshwa khona labo labathinzekako kule ngohlakalo yokukhatshaniswa kwemali lengu-2 billion wemarandi esibhedlela seThembisa.
Kuletinye ke uma sibiye etitolo. Litiko letekuthutha eNtshonalanga Kapa lithi kubonakala ngathi sitawungedwa isikhathi sekuvalwa kwemigwaqo losemkhathini kweSomerset West, Emfuleni naseStrand. Wemgelekile mbukele esigabeni sesibili setindzaba uma ucetha kungena ukhethe kahle tisekhona hlala nathi. Litiko letekuthutha eNtshonalanga Kapa lithi kubonakala ngathi sitawungedwa isikhathi sekuvalwa kwemigwaqo losemkhathini kweSomerset West, Emfuleni naseStrand. Lokhu kuta njengoba tinhlangano tematekisi iKhatha neCodeta tisangakayekeli kulwa nekwesabisana kulandzelwa kusungulwa kwelikomiti lelibuke tingcinambatalo.
Indvuna yetekutfutsa eNtshonalanga Kapa Isaac Sileko ivale imigwaqo kule nyanga leyencile kulandzela impi yematekisi. Kusolwa ukuthi kunekungevani mayelana nemalungelo enhlangano ekubuyiseni bagibele emigwaqweni lethinzekako, kanti ke iKhatha kanye neCodeta babambe tingxoxo mayelana nalolu dzaba.
They had a conversation, I think, for the last 2 days between Khatha and Codeta, and what we're actually looking for now is for them to actually to say that we intend to work with government in trying to resolve some of the issues, because we are all cognizant of the fact some of these issues that is of contestation are issues that won't be resolved within a space of 2 days or 3 days. So what we are looking for is for their commitment to say we are willing to look at these issues.
Sileko uthi nakungavunyelwana utakwati kuthatha sinqumo sekungeda emalanga kepha kunginyalo kubukeka ngathi utawungeda emaviki lambalwa.
I-Ultimate African Pool Championship ifuna kwenda lo mdlalo ukuthi ubonakale uhlelekile kule ngabathi yeAfrika. Kumenywe emave ase-Afrika la14 emqhudelwaneni walomdlalo eMbombela eMpumalanga. Kepha kutawuchubeka emave la6 kuphela nebadlali labalikhulu. Lo mdlalo lophela ngemgcibelo ufana nekugembula.
Tafik Marilo neminyaka le-17 ungushampiyoni we-pool table kanti uthi uyawuthanda lo mdlalo.
I'm playing pool because I love the sport and that's what keeps me busy and stuff. And I'm ranked #1 in the world.
Lo mqhudelwano Ultimate African Pool Championship utawudlalwa ngemave la6.
We've got some very good ladies in Namibia, and I mean when we practice or play league games, we only play against men. So now that we are here and we are in the singles, we now can play against ladies from other countries that are the best.
What we are doing for the youth
is also to bring them to the professional level and to ensure that they get to that level when they are at a certain age where Q Sport will be moving into the direction as part of a job after school, to say so.
Bringing indoor sports to our province, it's of course also a first in our province, which is lovely. It means that we don't get to compete for the same market and the same business, but we're stretching ourselves and being innovative in how to continue stabilizing the market, growing the tourism economy, and creating jobs at the end of the day.
Lomqhudelwano utawuphela ngeMgqibelo kanti isamba semali esibekwe ngo-360,000 emarandi.
Basemukele isithumbu saloyo bekandunankulu waseKenya Raila Odinga lesifikele esikhumulweni setindiza iJomo Kenyatta. Odinga bekathola lusito lwetempilo eIndia lapha amelwe khona inhlitiyo eKochi.
Is what we call the water cannon salute.
Kusetshenziswe eMandi njengeliphawu lekuhlonipha Raila Odinga esikhumulweni setindiza iJomo Kenyatta International Airport eNairobi. Bekuhlele kusahlonishwa ngumbutho lekuvikela Odinga lwetame emahlandla lasihlanu kuba kumengameli waseKenya kepha ke bantu bagcwele lapho kuhamba khona indiza.
I have declared a 7-day period of national mourning during which the national flag shall fly at half-mast across the Republic of Kenya and in all our missions abroad.
Kulokwendlula emhlabeni ko-Odinga kubonakale abaholi bemhlaba abambalwa bendlulisa emaveni uthuto kulomholi waseKenya lobekade anemthelela lomkhulu. Mengameli Ramaphosa uthi Odinga bekatinikele kuthuthukisa sive sakhe kanye nekubona inqubekela embili nekuthula kwetibhamu eAfrika.
It's a big loss, losing somebody, a father figure, a political icon, a Pan-Africanist. It's a very big loss to the Luo nation, to the entire world.
When nobody could rise to the occasion and unite Kenyans together, he became the voice of reason, though not everybody loved what he was doing.
Ekisumu naseKibera abantu bebagcwele etalati kanti-ke leti tindzawo lapho bekade anabalandzeli abaningi khona Odinga. Abantu abaningi bavakalise ukudumana lokukhulu kokwendlula emhlabeni kumthelo bekade bamthatha njengababi lobekade abeka embili elivekade lase-Afrika.
We have lost a patriot of uncommon courage, a Pan-Africanist, a unifier.
Odinga utawubekwa endlini yakhe egcina ngelisonto eplazini lakhe i-Ophoda Farm entshonalanga yeKenya ngekulandzela isifiso sakhe sekungcwatshwa emva kwama-awa angamashumi ashonile.
Nasivakashele timakethe tetimali sithola ukuthi lirandi liqinile nalicathaniswa netimali takulamanye emave. Lirandi libita 17 rand 26 cents nalicathaniswa nelidola laseMelika. Asesibukele tihambe embili kuletiphuma embiteni kuligwalagwala FM naSibusiso Mahlalela. Sibu, indvunete emaphoyisa ivele ngembi kwelikomiti lamuhle eParliament wena uphethe tiphi?
Nishonile mlingani siyavusela kumbukelo kuzoba desiswadi ekhaya ku-SABC1 nathi ke lesiphethe kulihlelo namuhla nzambama njengoba sinelitiko letemfundo kulesifundza sempumalanga lapho sitawubuka khona nake inkonzo ekukhulekela ke kubhala kwelihlelo lekuphela kweminyaka lapho nebafunzi bakamatekiletsheni bahambe basayinda khona ke sibophelelo sekuqinisekisa sinalike lihlolo ukuba ngilolukhululekile ngentilo kwaloko sitawubuka abanake indzaba ekuvela kwendvuna emaphoyisa lemiswe ke emsebentini kulikomiti laseParliament senzo umchuni njengoba ke sikhuluma ke Solomon ke bamphindzelida ngembuto khona ke eParliament ngowemalunga anali likomiti siboneke indlebe ngensimbi yesithupha zimathi bensimbi yesikhombisa kumsakato lokwala FM kulihlelo letiphuma embiteni.
Ayike tiguca lapho ke talamuhla asiphinze sihlangane ngalokutako kanti sikhona sindebele kusasa uma kubumbana insimbi yesikhombisa tikhona ngesixhosa kuyo lenkhundla simo setulu nanto zakhe mathebula sikhona ngemva kwetitolo busuku lobuhle.
ngedela shona ngina nzabatalo kanjalo ngedela shona nginaso simo selitulo ngalo muhle kanzi ke masibuka sithombe sethu mabuka cishe ikhathi lelive ngalo muhle likhombisa ke kubalela kepha ke yakhona lawo mathuba emvula mabuka ke la inshona yelive njengoba lapha kuye ke la 30% kanzi ke moyo empuma lelive alapha kuye ke la 60% ikakhulu kade sifunza ke la iLimpopo nencenye esifunza kwaZulu Natal ngalo muhle kanzi ke naselangeni la kusasa cishe ke limbonye Evan Lonkana ngalo muhle kepha ke qhubeke njalo nengibonya ngemafu mabuka la enshona Kapa kanzi ke liqhubeke njalo nemathuba emvula lapha kuye ke la 30% njengoba nyukela ku 60% mabuka ke la sifunza iNorth West ngalo muhle kanzi ke sixwayiso lesivela kwa South African Weather Service ngalo muhle likhombisa ke kugubha magagazi lwandle mabuka ke la ingcenye yesifunza inshona Kapa njengoba kanjalo nasengcenye nesifunza kwaZulu Natal liqhubeke njalo nekuduma kakhulu mabuka ke la sifunza ingcenye empumalanga kanjalo nesifunza ke la iLimpopo kanzi ke naselangeni la kusasa asisekhona ke leso sixwayiso sekuduma kwelitulo mabuka ke la ingcenye yesifunza ke la iNorth West ngalo muhle masichubeka sikubukela ke la imazinga ekushisa ukuthi emenjane kakhulu kade langeni la kusasa masibuka ke la sifunza eGauteng ePretoria futhumele nga28 27 makuba boCarltonville kanzi ke hlelo ku25 lapha ke eSprings ngalo muhle kanzi ke iLimpopo nzalo lefana nabomusina likhombisa ke kuphola ngaye ke la 28 eliphalala eThabazimbi lapha kuye ke la 29 mabuka ikakhulu kade eBhilabhila kanzi ke lapha ku19 mabuka ke la eBekersford impumalanga ngalo muhle lapha kuBuskhukuza lapha ku23 lipholile ke embombela nga18 mabuka bomashishini wehlele kubokhelelana nakale kubo Emelo likhombisa ke kuphola ngaye ke la 25 ileto nzalo leto kanzi ke kwaZulu Natal ngalo muhle mabuka ke la nzawo lefana nabo Kokstad lapha kuye ke la 20 lokusho ukuthi lipholile nakubo Port Shepstone kanzi ke Durban lapha ku21 kepha ke mabuka ku Richards Bay ngalo muhle lapha kuye ke la 22 kanzi ke Eastern Cape nzawo lefana nabo Mthatha lapha kuye ke la 25 East London 23 eMakhanda nakhona likhombisa ke kuphola wehlele kubogcebeha ngaye ke la 23 kanzi ke Western Cape nzawo lefana ke la nabo Vredendal kuyashisa nabo Glen Williams nga 34 kanzi ke Beaufort West lapha ku32 kanzi ke lipholile George nabo Moselbill wehlele kanjalo nase Cape Town njengoba lifuthumele nga27 eNorthern Cape ngalo muhle nzawo lefana nabo Sutherland lapha ku27 kanzi ke kuBucalvina lapha ku31 kuyashisa kuleto nzawo leto kona kuBukurumani buUppington lapha kuye ke la 34 30 mabuka ke iDR kanzi ke iFree State tinzawo lefana nabo uVelcom lapha kuye ke la 30 kuyashisa nakubo Bloemfontein nangale eGadebdem lapha ku29 ngalo muhle kanjalo nakubo Witbank khombisa ke la kufuthumala kanzi ke masibuka ke la ngolo muhle sifunza ke iNorth West kakhulu kade inzawo lefana nabo boTosca lapha ku34 kuyashisa kuleto nzawo leto wehlele bo Vryburg nabo Taung likhombisa ke kushisa kuleto nzawo leto kanjalo nakubo Rustenburg njobe lapha ku34 ngolo muhle angisho ngithi kungakobe ngikuphathele kona busuku abube lobuhle